Good afternoon, my friends. I'm back at the campsite on my Friday night overnight. We've been doing it every Friday night for years now. This time it's going to be about food. What I'm going to make tonight it's simple enough. It consists of three things. I brought all this in tonight. This is a little can of whole kernel corn. This is flour. Now this is tempura. Tempura, tempura flour. It's what they use for frying shrimp, chicken, and things. It just sticks to the meat. But it's sold at your local store. Mostly you can find it at the Oriental stores. What it is, it's just regular flour. It's got corn flour, baking powder, uh, white eggs. It's got the things that it needs, so you don't have to mix them up. You just buy it as tempura. I think McCormick makes a packet of it. But anyway, so you need these two things. I opted to bring olive oil. Now, usually my wife makes this. It's a corn pancake, and she usually makes it with butter. Now, who don't like a corn on the cob with butter? Come on. I've seen a lot of people pour this juice out, but actually, that's where all, that's where all your vitamins are. Now, Mike said he didn't want any, so bon appetit. Oksusu, oksusu. Oksusu is Korean for corn. Oksusu, yellow corn, yeah. So, since he don't want any, This will be my supper. What I brought, I guess I won't be eating that. Okay, until next week, I got one that's a little more complicated than this, and I think I'll bring it out and give it a try. It's a side dish too. Anyway, until next week, thanks for watching.